I'm going to show you how I transfer into my truck. I am using the automatic start to start my truck up, so it's good for hot and cold weathers. Highly recommend installing that. I'm going to start with my inside leg and lean that onto my driver's seat. Grab the steering wheel to scooch in and the grab bar to pull me up the rest of the way. Here is another angle from the inside so you can see where my foot and leg and my hands go. Another option is putting 2 feet in and then pulling yourself up the rest of the way. It's important to not have your driver's seat too far back because then you can't lean your legs on them and your legs will get caught. To get out, I just hang one leg out and lower myself down nice and easy. Here's another angle of that from the outside. Once I'm in my truck, I make sure my cushion is off my chair, my backpack, and my water bottle. Now I'm gonna bring my lift out so I can hook my chair onto it. These are controlled by buttons and I have a hanger attached to my chair so I can hook the carabiner onto the hook. Once your chair is hooked up, it's important to swing it low so the chair doesn't hit your truck and then bring it up when it's in the back. I use my mirrors to make sure my chair is high enough to put in the bed of my truck and use my rear view mirror to lower it down to a safe spot. Here's a look at my chair coming back out from the bed of my truck. Here's another way I can get into my truck. This is using buttons to pull out my driver's seat so it can lower down to my level. I used to use this when I first had my accident 4 years ago. I wasn't good at uneven transfers, so it was very hard for me to get into my truck. Then I got better and wanted to be quicker getting into my truck, so I started using the method I showed you in the beginning of the video. You can see this takes a lot more time using this method, and it does suck when it's raining or super windy outside, even snowing, so you're just stuck out there until your chair gets all the way back into your truck. What's cool is that there's a new method and designs where there's butterfly doors for your truck, so that helps covering you like an umbrella so you don't get hit by all the weather.
Okay, let's go.